Hey Estella, how you doing today? You spoke to me earlier today. My name is Devin again. I just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to talk with me and check this video out. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website you can do super easily to beat Boutique Tree. As you see, they're at the top of Google when you type in Atlanta Tree Service. They're right here, and they're right here on this first page. I know you're most likely sitting there asking yourself why I'm making this video for you. Well, it's super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't have time to really learn how the internet can help them bring more leads and business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is that they don't know who is and who is not an expert. So I found out by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some owners go out and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually call me back. So whatever you guys decide to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to educate you guys and just give you some more information. So without further ado, let's hop on in. I want to talk about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So Google typically likes to see 2,000 words of content on this front page right here. As we see, you guys have all this content right here. You guys have roughly about 400 words on your front page. You guys do have more content than your top competitor right here. These guys probably only have about 100 words, if that. So Google likes to see 2,000 words of content on that front page because in their eyes that's what's going to keep customers on their page longer, which is what Google wants. So for my first tip is to get in this front page right here to 2,000 words. But not only content is big, keywords are just as big. And keywords is what people are going to be typing into Google. For example, Atlanta Tree Service. That's something that if you guys have on your website here, it's something you can rank for. So when people are searching this, as we see 720 times a month, having that on your website can get you ranked for that. So content and keywords is my first tip on there. My second tip is going to be called backlinks. And a backlink is when a website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. It's really important because Google is basically a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company, but they want to see relevant ones. So going out and getting a Pizza Hut website isn't going to do you guys any good because Google understands you guys don't make pizzas for a living. They want to see other tree services and other contractors pointing to your website, giving that power. So I use Ahrefs right here to see what kind of backlinks you have. So right here is how many websites you guys have your link put in. So you have 16 websites 89 times. As I hop over to the competitors over here, sorry, it's loading real quick. I can tell you right now they have over 500 backlinks. So, but you guys can. So basically, what we do here when this loads, let me copy this right here. Sorry about that. Let me just copy this and plug it in here real quick. Boom. Okay. So backlinks are really easy. As you see, they have 556 backlinks with 142 websites. Very beatable, and they're really easy to go get. So you can, if these links work for them to rank them on top of this first page right here, they're gonna rank for you the same way. So what you want to do is you want to come in here, and there's plenty of free backlink websites out there where you can go check and find what backlinks you have and whatever your competitors have. And basically all you're going to do is you're going to log into these websites. You might have to create an account, or some of these are blog posts, and you just go in there and you leave comments in the blog posts or descriptions, and then you leave a link tracing back to your website. And that's all backlinks are. The majority of them are free. It just takes time to go out and go out and get them. So with those two last tips right there, content and backlinks, that's what's going to get you ranked organically, which is everything below this map section right here. So all this is the organic listings right here. Next thing I want to talk about is citations. Your Google My Business section right here is your map pack. This is all about citations, and a citations is anything is basically a directory where you can list your name, phone number, and address in a directory. And a directory is basically just anywhere that allows you to put that information in there. So Yellow Pages, Facebook, Yelp, and to get ranked on here, you just have to have more citations than these guys. So I like to use whitespark.ca to check this. As we see, they have 71 citations. You guys have 7. So same thing with the backlinks. You just come in here, you see whatever whatever citations they're using, and you go out there and get them on your own. So if they work for them, they're gonna work for you. And I suggest if they have 71 citations, I would suggest go out there getting 200 because you really want to blow these guys out the water. So that's all I have for you, Stella. I try to be as quick and keep this as short and sweet as I could. So again, my name is Devin. I hope this was informative for you. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My number is 775-402-2885. Yeah, but if you guys follow these 3 tips, content, 2,000 words, backlinks, and citations, going out and grabbing what your top competitors have, there's no way you guys won't be dominating all of Google right here, being ranked first on these pages, getting more leads in. So again, thank you for your time, and I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.